I also have kind of my Azure Masterclass. So this would really set you up kind of a good place. I think it's about, I don't know, 20 hours of content. And I cover a lot of that. So if you partnered that with the Microsoft Learn modules, I think you'd be good. The GitHub repo for that masterclass has all the sample files, but also has links to deeper dive videos I've done about particular aspects. So if you're struggling with one aspect, you could go to this GitHub and watch those videos. And I have prepared this kind of AZ 104 study list where it includes the masterclass videos, but it also includes some other videos that I think complement it towards the AZ 104. I have one about using the pricing calculator, AD and Azure AD, different types of identity, admin units, RBAC, AZs, disaster recovery. So this is a bit more detail. Sometimes I branch into one of my DevOps masterclasses about containers, so you can get more knowledge about that as well. So there's a bunch of fantastic resources to help you be successful. Go and use them all. Everything I'm talking about here is completely free. So with that, let's actually get going and start going through the content. Now, at the start of everything is identity. And when we think about the cloud, then it's really Azure Active Directory. So we have this Azure AD thing. And that is the identity provider for the cloud services. Now, it speaks cloud protocols. This is an important thing to understand. So when I think about the cloud, well, it's things like OpenID Connect, things like SAML, things like WS-Fed. And then for authorization, well, there's things like OAuth 2. So Azure AD just speaks all of those things. And what's nice about these is they're designed really for the internet, because all of these essentially function over HTTPS, i.e. they work really nicely over the internet. Now, if I'm an application and I actually want to go and talk to it, well, there's kind of these RESTful APIs, which again operate over that HTTPS. For example, there's Microsoft Graph. Is a great way programmatically I can go and talk to Azure AD. And what we then